Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe your favorite place in your house where you can relax. You should say where it is, what it is like, what you enjoy doing there, and explain why you feel relaxed at this place. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. We all have a preferred spot in our homes where we can just be content being ourselves without any pretense. And today, I would like to speak about my living room, which provides me a peaceful and stress free atmosphere. So, content means to be happy, pretense means that you don't have to pretend or be like someone. Preferred spot is a synonym for favorite place. So now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. Moreover, it is away from the hustle and bustle of the street and is located on the backside of my house at the far end of the kitchen, which is comparatively a lot quieter than the other areas of my house. So we have used an idiom here which is away from the hustle and bustle means away from the noise or busyness. Additionally, there is a picturesque wallpaper of lakes and mountains in my living room which further adds to the serene and calm atmosphere. So picturesque means beautiful and serene is another synonym for saying peaceful. I usually like to listen to music as well as watch television while lying down on my cozy beanbag, especially when I am taking a break from my studies. Besides that, I also like to perform yoga and meditation in my living room because it is as still as the grave, features proper ventilation with large windows on both walls, as well as provides ample natural light, thereby contributing to a conducive, cheerful, and bright environment. So, we have used another idiom here which is as still as the grave, which means very quiet or silent. Ample means sufficient and conducive means favorable. Finally, I feel on seventh heaven and am able to find solace in this room due to its perfect location, ambience, and quiet environment, all of which helps me to rejuvenate my mind. So we have used an idiom here which is feel on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. Solace means comfort. Thank you for your time, everyone.